Meditation to prepare for surgery. This meditation will help you relax and release the fear and anxiety you might be feeling when you think about the surgery that you're about to go through. To begin, lie down comfortably. Close your eyes softly and start calming down your breathing to a pace that feels relaxing and pleasant. Take a deep and cleansing breath in through your nose. Allow the air to reach every part of your body, every single cell. Exhale slowly and deeply and release all the tension you might be feeling. Any anxiety or fear about the surgery that is coming up. Inhale relaxation and confidence. Exhale fear and anxiety. Give your body permission to relax completely, to let go of physical tension, stress, and worry. Send the signal that it's safe to relax. Feel the fears fading away, the anxiety leaving your body. The physical tension is dissolving. Breathe in and out deeply. Inhale relaxation and confidence. Exhale fear and anxiety. Now visualize yourself 3 months after the surgery, with as many details as possible. You are feeling great and very happy with the results. Feel that happiness and satisfaction in your body right now. Everything went smoothly and according to plan, from beginning to end. You can't help but smile when you think about it all. The surgery itself was a huge success. You remember going in feeling 100% confident about your decision, knowing that your body was completely ready for the surgical procedure. The medical staff did a wonderful job. They gave you all the support you needed during surgery and afterwards. Now, 3 months later, your body has healed completely. Picture that area. It looks just like you wanted. Feel the satisfaction and gratitude for the whole process. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind. My body is strong and healthy. My mind and my body are a team that work great together. It's easy to relax and stay positive. I give my body what it needs to prepare for surgery. The surgery will be successful. Breathe in and out deeply to close this practice. Gently open your eyes.